Do you want to make commissions with ClickBank, WarriorPlus and more like I'm doing right now in October 2021? Then just like me, you need to start creating affiliate and sales videos up to 100 times faster. Like this one you are watching that I created with Remixable version 2 in just a few short minutes. Now Remixable version 2 has just gone live this week. Simply hit the link below to get instant access to all of the video creation tools, templates and training, including one-click voice that allows you to create instant voiceovers from any script, the rapid render video creator which allows you to turn any script into an instant affiliate, content or sales video, and so much more. This video is short and I can only cover a few of the features here. You'll need to hit the link below to see them all. But you can use the rapid render to create live action videos just like the top offers on WarriorPlus. Simply copy one of my done for you scripts and paste it to create an instant voiceover. Then import the one-click voiceover you just made into rapid render to create an instant sales video. The script automatically triggers media from our done for you library of videos and pictures. So you say profit with ClickBank daily and the software displays media accordingly. And you don't need to do a thing. In fact, there are over 300 done for you media preloaded for a whole range of topics, some relating to internet marketing and some relating to other more general keywords. We're even including royalty-free backing music to complement the voiceovers that our AI creates for you. And by the way, the done for you media library isn't fixed, it's highly dynamic. In fact, we're uploading new media all the time. Speaking of which, let's go back to those WarriorPlus commissions I made this week from video. They were made entirely from videos created with Remixable version 2 and Rapid Render. And here's the great news. Every time I launch a new affiliate campaign, the media files I used are added as templates for you to use. In fact, every single day we add new media, including proof, upsells, sales page, and demo videos for all of the top WarriorPlus and ClickBank offers, both new product launches and proven evergreen offers. We'll even give you template affiliate scripts to use for your own promotions. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Remixable version 2 is live and generating sales, commissions, and traffic right now. As soon as you join, you'll get redirected to the new version 2 members area, which contains everything you could possibly need to profit with video and digital marketing, from systems to done for you keywords, from softwares to templates and training. And remember, you'll of course also get instant access to Remixable version 1 as well, which lets you automate my entire 400k business, earning 100% by reselling software products. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below to get started. You're just one click away from finally creating videos like the top affiliates and digital marketers, but automatically and entirely from your browser. Remixable version 2 is available as a $1 trial and 100% risk-free. So join now, then take your time to play with the video creation features and everything else that's included in the Remixable suite. Hit that link below to get started with Remixable and all of the software modules for reselling products, building pages, creating videos, generating voiceovers, recruiting affiliates, getting traffic, creating e-covers and logos, writing sales copy, and so much more. So hit that link and I'll see you in the live chat coaching box, ready to welcome you to your new future once you've locked in your $1 trial. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.